YouTube, what's going on? Lee here once again, shaving. Grooming is excellent, isn't it? So what's going on today? Real fast, a lot of us have just gotten these Model Ys and we're inside now, and we have all of this lovely light colored trim that can get a lot of fingerprints, and there's some on mine. I just saw another one right here, and I've already been going through and getting most of these up. So there's one right there. I don't know if you can see it. So the question is, how do you get it up? Well, very, very easy. I have a cup with hand soap in it and an old toothbrush, and it's been really, really frothy, and I kind of worked it up, and it's more soap than water, and you just soak it up there. And I have a white microfiber. Why does it have to be white? Because you don't want colored microfiber bits on your white headliner. So you need a light colored microfiber towel. So whip him up real good. Take the excess on your lap or whatever, and then go to the mark, and you want to just foam it up a little bit, okay, and stop. Why are we stopping? Because you don't want to get too far in, and then just dab up that part right there, and it goes away, and it will dry with no problems. So you repeat that whole process the whole time, no problems. And you just got to go through the car and find all of the dark spots that you can. And for the most part, I don't see too many problems. But if I do come across it, now you know what to do. So just another quick tip with the Model Y Performance, and so far so good. I had some marks up here that I gotten through, and they're already starting to dry. And like I said, you don't want to wet it too much. Just wet it enough just to get it out of the way, and just kind of lift up the stain. Like here's one right here, so let's try that. We're not going too deep into it, and then we're just gonna just skim off. I don't know what this circle looking thing is, and then it's gone. All right, so that's it. Any more tips that I come up with, or if I see something else I think you might be interested in, I'll let you know. Okay, happy Labor Day. Peace.